How about control? What is the meaning of control in the context of strategic management? Control involves the mechanisms and processes implemented by an organization to monitor the ongoing implementation of its strategic plans and to take corrective actions when necessary. Understand? It involves the mechanisms and processes. So, control, on the other hand, involves one, the mechanisms and the processes implemented by an organization. So these are mechanisms and processes that are implemented by an organization to monitor. To do what? To monitor the ongoing implementation of its strategic plans. Ongoing implementation of the strategic plans, and then take corrective action. So you control by monitoring. You monitor the ongoing implementation of the strategic plans, so that if the plan is not achieving the objective, the plan is not on the track, if there is something that needs to be done, then you make corrective action in case such corrections are necessary. It's about ensuring that the organization stays on track towards its strategic goals. It may also help the organization to adapt to changes in internal and external environment. You may have a plan now, but there could be changes in the external environment. There could be change in laws, change in economic variables that may require you to adjust the plan. So plans are not static. Plans are supposed to be strategic. They're supposed to be flexible. So you have to monitor, you have to control, so that in case you may need to make adjustments, so those adjustments are made. You can only make adjustments if you have mechanisms and processes that monitor the ongoing implementation. Understand? So control aims to guide the organization's actions and also resource allocation to align with the strategic direction. So these two candidates, this control and evaluation, together form a crucial feedback loop that helps organizations to, one, determine the effectiveness of their strategies. When you combine these two, the organization will be in a position to determine the effectiveness of their strategies. The organization can also identify deviations from the strategic plan. It can understand the reasons for those deviations. Then, given that the organization understands the reasons for deviations, then it can take timely and appropriate corrective actions. It may also help in adapting to changes in the environment or circumstances, and also it may improve the future strategic decisions.